vegetables. Today, we are going to explore some delicious fruits and vegetables and learn their names, spelling, and benefits. Are you ready? Let's go!
That's spelled APPLE. I'm red, juicy, and full of goodness. Brain apple. Alex continues. Do you know why I'm so awesome? Green apple, because I help your heart stay healthy, keep your tummy happy, and give you energy to learn and play. Apples have fiber, vitamin C, and natural sugar that gives you power the healthy way. Red apple. Alex smiling. So remember, an apple a day keeps the junk food away. Spelling apple is equals APPLE. Red apple. Welcome, eat smart, stay strong. NA. Banana. Ben. Quick facts. Heavy check mark. I give you energy. Heavy check mark. I help your muscles. Heavy check mark. I keep your heart healthy. Banana. Ben smiling. Peel me, eat me, and feel strong all day. Banana equals banana. Banana. Strong, smart, and sweet. Strawberry. Stella, smiling. Sweet, juicy, and super healthy. That's me. Loudspeaker on-screen text. Strawberry equals STRAWBERRY. Strawberry. Sweet, strong, smart. Hello, watermelon, big, juicy, and super cool. Watermelon. Wally. Happy voice. Hi there. I'm watermelon. That's spelled WATRMELON.